In this training video, we will be going over users settings. So as you can see, we're in the settings tab under users. So this is where me as an owner of the company can add a new employee, which we'll list down here. So you'd put in the first name of your employee and the last name of your employee and their email address. And then you would want to assign them as either an admin or a user, but in this case it'll be user. And then you also want to assign them to what truck or what team. You've got truck 1, in this case we'll go team 2. And then you would create, and then as you can see, number 4, it just added. Also, you can delete this employee if you chose to, if they left the company, or if you wanted to edit. Also, this new employee will receive an email asking them to create a password, and then that's how they'll be able to access the program as an employee. To your success, and thank you for watching.